So guys, yesterday we were selling this. I did mention a potential double bottom and we just broke above it. After breaking above that, guys, we went on to hit a bullish target and the AI's counter bias target was 337071, and even if we hit that as well and we went way beyond that as well, guys. So guys, the question remains, what are we going to do today, guys? For today, as long as the price stays above this, above 1.33992, guys, we are bullish. And guys, my targets, I have actually two targets. Yeah, it would make sense to have two targets. But because the price is already here, so the first target is useless. And guys, my second target would be 1.34680. Oh shit. Oh, wait a minute. Let me do the screenshot for the AI. Okay, guys, here we go. So let's start this. Okay, now let's continue analysis. Okay, guys. So there is that, but we have to keep in mind the first potential target, guys, is a target as well. We are in an overall bearish trend. And guys, if you break below this, my bearish target first would be 1.33426. After that, guys, I would be selling to 1.32925. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Let me see what the AI is doing. Let's wait for its analysis. Okay, guys, so it is conditional bullish. Okay, the AI is smart. Okay, I get that. AI is very smart. It can say bullish side conditional bullish. Okay, market structure bullish continuation. The setup is on Friday, March 20th, London section. There is a continuation of the strong trend established on the previous day. First chart provides the macro bullish context, a recent break of structure. On the one edge provides tactical entry opportunity, a pullback to a new support level. The plan to trade the one edge in alignment with the 4H trend. Okay. The severe risk of tone has gripped global markets, catalyzed by sharp equity sell-off and a WTO downgrade for the trade outlook. This classic flight to safety is channeling capital flows direct in the US dollar. As a result, the risk-sensitive British pound is under intense fundamental pressure, with escalating geopolitical and energy risk providing further downside catalysts. Okay, guys, let's paste this back. So it is buying as long as it's above 1.3398. Same analysis. Target one for okay 464. Our target two is its target one, and target two is what is it? 1.3500. Okay, 35. Oh no, it's bullish. Okay, okay, it's targeting this area. Okay, I can agree with that. Okay, okay, let's see what happens. I wouldn't go that as far as that. Why? Because it's too bullish. It's too high a target for me. But We never know, guys. That's the problem. Yeah, that's the point of the AI, because I can challenge myself, test myself in a way I understand. If another trader is he's buying and I don't understand his reasoning, there's no point in that. I know the reasoning the AI is using, so I can challenge myself and grow. And I can train the AI as well. If, for example, if I am correct and the AI turns out to be wrong, the next time the AI won't make this mistake, because I will teach it because it was wrong and I was right. And if it's right, I am wrong, I will learn from it. And that is how we grow. Take care, guys, and see you guys tomorrow.